Once the test is done, once আমার যত টাস্ক প্ল্যান করা ছিল ওগুলো কমপ্লিট করা হয়েছে, after I know যে I don't have anything else for my participant to do in my prototype, তখন we can keep a small window of questions post interview, post usability test session, যেখানে we are we can generally ask যে what this user's experience was like, মানে যে how did they feel about this product that they used, what did they think, just generic, মানে nothing leading. We don't want nothing leading in the sense that we don't want to ask them did you feel good or bad about it. It's basically we want to know like how their experience was and how they define their experience. And then ওদের যদি কোনো ইন্টারেস্টিং কমেন্ট বা কোনো অবজারভেশন দ্যাট উই হ্যাভ মেড ডিউরিং দ্য টেস্ট, আমাদের যদি কোনো কিছু ইন্টারেস্টিং লেগে থাকে, তাহলে ইটস বেস্ট টু সেভ ইট অল ফর দিস উইন্ডো, যেখানে আমরা এই অবজারভেশন গুলা বা এই কোয়েশ্চেন গুলো করতে পারি। সো এই সময়টাতে আমরা অ্যাকচুয়ালি ইউটিলাইজ করতে পারবো যে কোনো অবজারভেশন থাকলে উই ক্যান আস্ক আওয়ার ইউজার্স যে could you please elaborate এই পার্টটা, আমি খেয়াল করেছি যে আপনি এই জায়গাটাতে এই কাজটা করেছিলেন, could you explain why? So users are, from my experience, users are always open to these kind of questions. They when you ask them to explain, they happily explain when they know that you are genuinely there to take their feedback and you will be working on those feedbacks. And then lastly, if you have any predetermined questions that you had planned before this session, you can definitely ask them a post-interview window. But a post-interview window ta rakhai hocche so that we don't interrupt our users during the test session. মানে টেস্ট সেশনটার পরে তখন আমরা এই কোয়েশ্চেন গুলো করবো, তাহলে ডিস্ট্রাকশনস গুলো কমে আসে। Distractions, we want to keep that to a minimum. And then lastly, when we're closing the session, we want to debrief our users. We want to explain them the whole purpose of the test one more time so so that we stay transparent, so that they're clear why did they perform all these tasks এতক্ষণ ধরে. Usually usability test gula takes like 30 minutes to an hour or more in my experience, depending on what you're testing and the kind of product that you have. But it's a very long time that the user will be dedicating, or that the user has dedicated to you and your test. So oderke just remind kora je the whole purpose of this test one more time. And then what you will be doing with the results, এটা একবার remind করা। তারপর হচ্ছে finally answer any remaining questions that the participant may have. And finally, this is what I like to do. I like to reward my participants for their time, কোন একটা incentive day. As for Grameenphone, in my experience, যে কোনো usability test session এর পর our participants are rewarded with 500 টাকা flexi load. So ওই flexi loadটা দিয়ে ও যা খুশি করতে পারে, ওর মানে কথা বলতে পারে, ইন্টারনেট প্যাক কিনতে পারে বা whatever it is. So it's basically appreciating them for their time and thanking them. It's a way of saying thank you. Usually এরকম সামারি যখন আমরা বলতে বলি, userরা just বলে যে whether they found it difficult or not, whether they found it easy or not, how they felt about the whole thing. Like it's basically just establishing a goodwill that you care about their experience, and just knowing যে ওরা কিভাবে পারসিভ করছে এই প্রোটোটাইপ বা এই প্রোডাক্টটা, ওরা when they put themselves in the context of this product, where did they see themselves. So এরকম কোনো summary. So ওরা যখন when the user starts talking and when the user starts narrating their summary, তখন if you want, you can lead that summary into something that you want to know from that summary. You might want to know whether this person found these tasks difficult or not. So ওইটাতে summary is basically like a conversation starter, I would say, after this daunting task has been finished.